Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the limited takeover pants in DTI. So the new DTI update is here and it comes with the exclusive limited takeover pants you don't want to miss. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can get them step by step so you can flex your style on the runway before they're gone. So what you need to do in here, once you just open DTI, you can just click on this takeover button in here and you'll see this pop-up challenges. So you need to complete the noob challenge and also the pro challenge. Before you can enter this one, you need to finish this. So you can just play around from start to finish to earn the 2x first time bonus. So let's just click on this play button. As you guys can see, challenge started. You can just play the round as usual. So in here, I've already done making the outfit and here's I'm on the footing. And you can just wait until the round finishes and you'll get the reward. So this is me. So after this, you need to complete the pro challenges after you finish the noob one. Okay, so the voting is done and in here, as you guys can see, you will be notified that the challenge completed. I am the winner and hopefully I also take the podium on the next challenge. Because on the next challenge in here, so you guys can see, you need to place on the podium once. So click on this play button again and now the challenge is started. Okay, so as you guys can see here, I've placed on the podium and I've already unlocked this takeover pants in the new DTI update. And you can find this one in the dressing room. So if you want to have your own takeover pants, now join the challenge now and unlock the rewards. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.